What up? We're gonna unbox our loot crate, which we got today, finally. Very end of the month. Alright, so this month's Loot Crate theme is Villains 2. And it appears to be a Joker styled theme house.
Wooden figure.
With a Joker wooden figure. Awesome.
It's our Loot Crate badge. Something Captain America read. It's for adults only.
I hope they're Captain America condoms. It's so difficult to open this. Cool, it's got a second head.
Some Hydra prop replica.
Hail Hydra. Alright, so this head says ha ha ha, and like it all moves and stuff. And then you've got the second head that says hee hee hee. And the arms move and the hand. Oh, cool, the hands move. This is excellent. It's an apron. What's it say? Los Polos Hermanos. The Poultry Brothers? It's Koch Brothers! It would be good for when we cook sausages. This is our monthly Loot Crate book thing. Last but not least, something Marvel. Oh, it's a Venom mug! His tongue wraps around to the handle. Awesome, I think I'm getting quite good at this. So, from the back, we have that, because I didn't really have a good look at it. And then on the left side, we've got that. On the right side, it says document and share, or else. Did say share. Yes. Oh no, it said enjoy, or else. And at the very front, we have the Joker working on his big wooden Joker. So that was Loot Crate August edition 2015 Villains number 2. Bye. Haha.